pretty that is? That is just, I love it. It looked like my hair was dipped in Kool-Aid, like, but not in a bad way. You know what I'm saying? So I like that. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a hair review from Beyond Beauty. Let's get into the unboxing. So here they sent me this cute crochet needle I thought was pretty cool because you can always use an extra needle. Next they sent me this cute little compact mirror, which I thought was adorable. Small and quaint. Be careful because it doesn't have a cover, so it can break easily if you just throw it in your purse and you have a lot of stuff in your purse. Next, they sent me these rubber bands in case I want to do the rubber band method, but these are elastic plastic bands, so they're not the rubber ones, so it won't break your hair off. They sent me 2 clips, also hair jewelry, 4 pieces, assorted colors. And then they sent me this awesome diagram book, basically with illustrations. In the inside they have 2 sections and 2 different methods on what you want to do. In this video I did both, so let's get into the video. Okay, hey you guys, so this is the hair. They sent me 6 packs and I'm going to take the hair out for you all to look at. Now I don't remember what color this hair was, but it's black. I believe it was I'm not even sure, so I'll have to check and leave it in the description box for you. But this is how the hair came. It's just regular hair that's already has spiral texture to it. I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to just split it in half, and I'm going to go ahead and twist it, and this will create a crochet. Now I believe this is 3, but yeah, I've done 3 bundles here, 3 packages. These are pre-twisted. These are already pre-twist, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet that in my head. But I'm going to actually show you a demonstration of one twist that I've done, how to basically create your twist. Okay, so here's a closer, more in-depth look. So this is how the hair looks on the string. And this string, y'all, is the hair that comes when you do the feed-in braids and you design the braids. That's basically what that thread is. But okay, so the 2 pieces of hair that I have, I split it in half and I'm just going to twist it, and I'm just going to go with whatever direction the hair lays well. I do have a video on 2 different ways to twist your passion twist, so I'm not going to go into detail in this video. And if you would like to refer to that, you can. I'll leave that in the description as well, and you can look at that video. So here I'm going to twist and just pull up as I twist and then pull up, because I want it to have more of a crinkly, curly look. So I don't want it really straight down from root to end. I want it to be really, really, really spirally. So I'm gonna do slow-mo, and you'll be able to see the finished look and how it looks. Ta-da! Watch it curl up. That's the look I am going for. So I'll be doing this throughout all of my twist. Another way, I'm cutting it here, and I'm going to take this off of the rubber band pulley method thing. I don't know what that's called, you guys. The design string. And I am going, this is another way you can do it. Instead of pre-twisting like I did, you can actually crochet it. This is the braid pattern that I did. I just braided it back and I connected it going up. So you can take it, crochet it this way, just loop it, and then you can pull it through. So this is another option that you can do, and you can loop this twice. I only did it once, and then from the loop you can go ahead and twist the hair. All the crochet that you see in my head, I did that with the pre-twist already. And I just did this until all the black was covered, my hair was covered, until it was filled in. Now I'm going to put these back onto this string because I only cut it and took it off so I can show you guys the method. So I'm going to knot this back, and then I'm going to put it right back on the cabinet knot, and I am going knob, not knot, and I'm going to, you know, twist it all together. That was fast for me and it was better. And here you have your crochet hook. Now from my left to my right ear, or right to left, I just did planks. So that way those will just be individuals. I love the hair. This is actually a new arrival. So this is a new color for the passion twist that I just received. And the hair is so soft. I love the bottom. I love how it ombres just right down toward the ends of the hair. It didn't take me long to do this whole install at all. So I actually like this way better than doing the individual passion twist. So it's less tedious. I just like it better. It seems faster to me. So toward the top, I just went on ahead and just twist this. And I was concerned a little bit because this hair was, it looked like it was just all red when I ordered it. They gave me a choice of what to get, and I originally picked like a blonde color, but then I found out this was on there later. So I ended up choosing this red because fall, the season is changing. So we have these oranges, coppers, gingers, brownish type colors coming on out. So I want to change a little bit with the season. You know, you don't have to change with the season. You can wear the same color you want all year round. Really, it's no big deal. So don't feel pressure to change your hair if you don't want to change your hair. But if you want to try something different, yeah, get into these different type of colors. So my edges are pretty fine, but once it gets older, then I'm gonna go ahead and brush some hair out and do some baby hairs. But I'm not gonna do that right now. It's been 3 days, I'm fuzzy. So I really don't wanna worry about having to keep that up like that. So I'm gonna come back here and I'm going to, see how pretty that is? That is just, I love it. It looked like my hair was dipped in Kool-Aid, like, but not in a bad way, you know what I'm saying? So I like that. Look how pretty that is, look at that. It almost reminds me of like sister locks. Okay, but I'm just really loving these highlighted tips. It's so nice. So yes, y'all, Beyond Beauty, check them out if you want to shop with them, and if you want to purchase this hair, that'll be in the link below too, where I received it. And this is 6 packs in my head. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Toodaloo. Oops, did you forget to subscribe? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications.